Okay guys, welcome to the tutorial on Node.js. In the past tutorial, we had discussed about a simple hello world program and run our first hello world program with the help of Node.js. And now we're going to discuss about how to execute a JavaScript file with the help of Node.js in the command prompt or a shell. So initially, before going through them, I'm going to discuss you about one thing that I'm going to use this git command prompt for all of my tutorials now, because this is a bit more reliable and more powerful than the regular command prompt that we get from the Windows. So go to the git.scm.com and download this. Click on this download button, and it is a simple installation file. You can get it a couple of times. You need to press next and give the permissions, and you're good to go now. So after that, you need to open the git command prompt. I'm gonna open that from the desktop. So I will be right in the desktop over here. You can see. So I'm gonna create a new file over there with the name project name. So I got created my file. I'm having my project over there. So I'm getting into the project folder. So there's nothing in it, empty. You can see anything is nothing. So after that, you need to open your project folder. After that, you need to choose your text editor. In my case, I'm using Atom text editor. Also, it is best for me. So you can choose Sublime or VS Code, anything else, whatever you want. So I'm going to open this folder, desktop, project, got it. Hit on enter. So, yeah, I'm in a project folder. So I'm going to create a new file over there with the name app.js. So over here, if I want to write sorry, this is Node.js. I just written something over there. So I save this file and I'm go to this git command prompt and just type ls and having my app.js, and if you want to run app.js with the help of node, just type node and app.js, and the function will execute, and this you will get the message that this is node.js. So that's how you can execute a JavaScript file with the help of node.js in node.js. Okay, that's how you can done it. So you can even create functions. I'm creating a regular function with the name. What is the name of the function? Info name. Okay, information. We're getting some information over there, and then type log. I'm gonna create a constant variable over here. Sorry, it's not console. It's constant a. I'm going to give it 23, and constant 2. I'm gonna give it 30, and I want to return what? A plus b, and I'm gonna call the function over here info, not like that, just type log and call the function info. Okay, save this file, open your git command prompt. You're now just type node app.js, hit enter. It is a function, but it is not executing. The heck is wrong with this function now? So the thing is, you need to mention the braces over here. It is a function. In some of the cases, there is no need to mention these brackets, and now we need to mention the function. Right? Note app.js, enter, and you'll get the sum over there, and this is Node.js, and this is the function. So that's how you can execute the JavaScript file with the help of Node.js, like in this manner. So that's all for you now, guys. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to discuss about the modules, custom modules, and the built-in modules. And furthermore, we are going to create servers. And after that, we are going to discuss about Express.js, Socket.io, and later we're going to discuss about a lot more things. So that's all for now, guys. Thank you for watching.